Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks for using Facebook on your PC. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable notifications from everyone on public posts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by visiting the website or launching the app on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Settings to proceed. Step 5. From the left-hand side, locate and click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Step 6. Within the privacy settings, find and click on Public Posts. Step 7. Next to Public Post Notifications, click on the button. Step 8. Finally, select Only Me to disable notifications from everyone on public posts. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to disable notifications from everyone on public posts in Facebook. Now you won't be bothered by constant notifications from public posts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.